Hey everyone! Today, I want to dive into something that affects millions of people worldwide. Diabetes. If you or someone you love is living with diabetes, you know how crucial it is to manage blood sugar levels. But what if I told you there's a type of rice that could actually help? Yes, you heard me right. Let's talk about rice that can control your diabetes. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Rice? Isn't that a big no-no for diabetics? Traditionally, white rice has been on the naughty list because it can spike your blood sugar. But hold on, there's a game changer out there called low glycemic index rice. This is where things get interesting. Low glycemic index, or GI, foods release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, preventing those pesky spikes. So, what's the secret behind this magical rice? First off, let's talk about the types. You've probably heard of basmati rice, right? It's not just a staple in Indian cuisine, it's also a fantastic option for those managing diabetes. Basmati rice has a lower glycemic index compared to regular white rice. It's aromatic, fluffy, and can be a delicious addition to your meals without sending your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Plus, it's versatile. You can pair it with veggies, lean proteins, or even throw it in a stir-fry. Then we have brown rice, which is another great choice. It's whole grain, meaning it retains all the nutrients and fiber that white rice loses during processing. The fiber in brown rice helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. So, not only are you getting a hearty meal, but you're also doing your body a favor. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. But wait, there's more. Have you ever heard of black rice? This beauty is often referred to as forbidden rice. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, it's got a lower glycemic index, making it a superb option for people with diabetes. The deep color is not just for show. It signifies the presence of anthocyanins, which are known for their health benefits. So, if you want to impress your friends at dinner, whip up a dish with black rice. They'll be amazed at how delicious it is, and you'll be benefiting your health at the same time. Now, let's get practical. You might be wondering how to incorporate these types of rice into your diet. It's easier than you think. Start by swapping out your regular white rice for basmati or brown rice. Maybe try a stir-fry with some colorful veggies and lean protein, or make a hearty rice bowl topped with avocado and beans. The possibilities are endless. And here's a little tip. Cooking your rice with a bit of coconut oil and then letting it cool before eating can further lower its glycemic index. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference. Remember, managing diabetes isn't just about what you eat, it's about balance. You can still enjoy your meals while making smart choices. So, don't shy away from rice altogether. Just choose the right kind. I know it can feel overwhelming at times, but you're not alone in this journey. There are communities, support groups, and resources out there to help you navigate through it. And the best part? You can still savor delicious meals. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, take a moment to explore the rice aisle. Try something new, and remember that managing diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. With the right choices, you can enjoy your food and keep your blood sugar in check. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Let's keep the conversation going about healthy eating and diabetes management. Take care.